Hey you guys, Blaze here from Blazing Reviews, and today we're going to be checking out Battlefield 5. Now yes, I know this game is a little bit old. It came out back in 2018 for the PlayStation 4 and the Xbox One. However, it has been updated and optimized for the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series S and X with much better graphics and sound. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today, the sound quality of this game. Numerous game reviewers always just review how the game is and the graphics, and I never hear them speak of how good the surround sound is. And for me, sound is a very big part of a video game. A game can have the very best graphics and be a lot of fun, but if the surround sound isn't there to make it immersive, then it's just no good. Battlefield 5 is a game I've been playing for years because it's just so much fun and it sounds amazing on my Sony HTA9. If you have a good home theater system, I guarantee this game will blow you away with its amazing surround sound effects. Now this is the Xbox Series X version that I downloaded from Game Pass for free, but you can also get this game free on the PlayStation 5 through PlayStation Plus. However, I think it sounds a bit better on my Xbox because it supports Dolby Atmos. This game's got a great single player campaign with a good storyline that's a lot of fun to play with plenty of hardcore action. But where the real action lies is the online multiplayer that supports up to 64 players in an all-out war. I personally like the strategic conquest, where your team has to capture all the checkpoints to win. You can drive in jeeps, tanks, boats, and even planes, or run in on foot and attack the enemy. The sound throughout is amazing, and with the A9's 360 spatial sound mapping technology, it makes it so much more immersive with bullets whizzing right by you and all around, big explosions giving your subwoofer a workout, and planes literally sounding like they're flying right over your head.
We need to capture and hold as many objectives as possible. Objective Friedrich is now ours.
If you own a Sony HT-A9, A7000, or A5000 soundbar, or any other good home theater system, definitely check out this game. I guarantee you won't be disappointed in the sound quality.